In this video, let us learn about using the Trader Dashboard. ModernAlgos Trader Dashboard helps a trader to track live executed trades and net positions. Under the order book on Trader Dashboard, view the status of all your orders on a single page using Broker RMS. If you'd like to modify or cancel open orders, do it easily from the Action column. The Net Positions, Equity and Futures tab on Trader Dashboard allows you to see all the equity and futures segment positions. You can exit from an open position with just a few clicks. Under Net Positions, Options on the Trader Dashboard, you can view all the naked or strategy-wise multi-leg positions. You also have the option to exit from open positions with just a click. The Auto Strategy tab on the Trader Dashboard gives you a single window view of all your auto trades once you've locked in a strategy for them. You can modify, stop, square off, or restart the strategies directly from the Action column. You can change the profit or loss values using the Modify option and let ModernAlgos' robust trading API system use the new parameters to compute and provide actions on the strategy. The Trader Dashboard is integrated with the Broker Platform and is designed to enable you to make quick, informed decisions.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.